Hello friends, welcome to All About SQL. This is Abhay, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can use store procedure in any select statement. So if you see, I have this store procedure with the execute statement in which I'm passing one parameter and getting the following result. If I want to use this in a select statement, I can use openrowset query, and inside that I can just pass this execute statement that I just ran earlier, and then I'll be getting the same result set. And in this, if you want to use any specific columns, you can just use your column names, and once you execute this, you'll be getting those specific columns only. And if you face any kind of rights issue while running this open row set query, you can use the below statement I provided to run it first, and then you can run the above queries successfully. Thank you so much.